Yo, what's up, YouTube family? In this video, I'm going to show you how I raised my credit score by 71 points within a matter of 4 weeks. And I'm gonna lay it all out for you in this video. Happy New Year. It's 2023. And I know you have aspirations and you have goals this year. And I know for a fact, one of those goals is to fix your credit, because obviously you wouldn't be here and I got you. I'm gonna help you. Now, just to give you a little bit of background about myself, I have generally never cared about credit. If you were raised in poverty, you know, just like I know, that credit is the last thing that we typically care about. I started my business about 8 years ago, and when I reached that 6-figure status, I decided that what was the point of credit? I didn't need it. I had enough money to buy what I want and pay cash. I didn't want to go into debt any further. When I was 18, I messed my credit up. When I started my business, I remessed my credit up again. I didn't understand how business flow and that the winter months would be hard and slow. So I lived off the credit cards and never paid them back. Such a silly mistake. So here we are, fast forward to today, and now I'm starting to figure out the power of credit. And for the last 2 years, I've been knowing and saying that I'm going to fix it, but getting out of this recession and out of COVID, I just haven't had enough money to dedicate towards that. A month ago, I was browsing the internet and just randomly came across a video by David Cousins, I believe his name is. I tried this method and I was able to get 6 or 7 accounts wiped off my credit. I was able to grow my credit score by 71 points. Now, initially, I didn't think that this would work. I watched the video, I decided to do it, and I said, if it works, cool. If not, no biggie. I just put in a few minutes. I think I put about 10 minutes in. I just started getting the notifications from Credit Karma that this account was wiped off your credit score. I logged on and I could not believe that my score had went up a whole 70 points. In the past, I had tried other methods like the credit report letters, and those worked. So the second time around, I said they probably wouldn't work. And I tried them and nothing got removed off my credit. They sent me back verification saying that, yes, this is you, blah, blah, blah. So I was really skeptical. Please watch this video all the way through, because I'm telling you, you don't want to miss a step. That's critical. Without further ado, let's get into it. First thing I did was went to annualcreditreport.com and got a free copy of my credit report. This is absolutely necessary, the first step that you have to do. Just enter all your information. Go ahead, blah, blah, blah. Definitely select all 3 credit reports because you want to reference and make sure all of your items are coming off. After you get your credit report, you will need the credit report to access your account name and account numbers, and I'll show you why later. Next, we want to go to consumerfinance.gov. Once you are here, you want to click on submit a complaint. Scroll down, start a new complaint. And from there, you're going to enter your name, email address, and create a password. All right, once you're in submit a complaint, you want to go down to credit reporting, credit repair services, or other personal consumer reports. From there, what type of credit reporting product? We're going to say credit reporting. Going to click next. What type of problem are you having? You're going to use improper use of your report. Next, which best describes your problem? For this, we will do reporting company used your report improperly. Have you already tried to fix this problem? We're going to say yes. And it don't matter if you already have. Now, for this section, describe what happened and we'll send your comments to the companies involved. Now, for this is what you need your credit reports for. I'm going to copy this pre-filled text, which I will link in the description below. One thing you have to do is replace your account name and account numbers from your credit report. We're going to do this for TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. So let's say we're starting with TransUnion. We're going to go in there. We're going to get our account name and our account numbers. We're going to list every account that we want deleted. And we're going to put it right here where I'm typing the X's. Okay. From there, you leave everything else the same. What does all of this text mean and why it works? I don't know. All I know is that it works. And that's all you need to know too. You can select, I want to publish this on their description, on their website. If not, don't worry about it. What would be a fair resolution to this issue? Delete accounts from my credit report. Duh. All right. Attach documents. You don't have to. I didn't. Going to hit next. Okay, the company name, we're going to say TransUnion. Okay. TransUnion Credit Reporting Agency is the one I selected. All right, pause real quick. If you're getting any value out of this video, I would love to continue to bring you guys videos like this. But I need you to like, comment, and subscribe, because that'll let the algorithm know that people are liking this video and to pump me out to more folks that this could be helpful for. And as well as subscribing and turning the bell notification on, you'll get my videos as they come out. I do plan on doing an update on this to get 2 more accounts off my credit, the last 2 remaining. You don't want to miss that. Okay, for this next section, it says it's optional. You can do it if you want to or not. I did it. Do you want to complain about another company? What I did was I put no, and I did a separate one for Equifax and a separate one for Experian. You could also select yes and then just put Equifax in there, select yes again, and put Experian in there. For the purposes of this demo, I'm going to select no, select next. This part, you fill out your contact information and you'll hit review and you'll submit. It will give you a complaint number. Please write that down just in case. And from there, you just relax. Mine took about 3 weeks before I seen anything come off. At first, it was 1 or 2 accounts on one credit reporting agency. And then I noticed there was another and then another. And I just couldn't believe it. They were all coming off at different times, but they were coming off one by one. And when it hit the 3-week mark is when I noticed that they were coming off more and more. It would be 3 off at a time, 4 off at a time. And as of recording this video, it's December 29th. Another one came off yesterday. So my report rose another 2 points. All right, if you look at my Experian credit report from the 16th of November, I had 12 accounts. Right here to December 29th, I have only 3. And on my Credit Karma screenshot, you can see I had 545 on December 9th, moving up to 615 on December 19th.
Now, to bring the new year, right, you want to clean up your credit, but also you want to make some money. Click this video or this video, whichever way. And I'm going to show you the best work from home opportunities at this point right now. Not too many people know about. Literally, this software will do the work for you. Only thing you got to do is find the opportunities, no hoops to jump through, and get paid. Cash money quickly.
Hey, I appreciate y'all for sticking around. Please subscribe.